This is smart and interesting, and about time companies start thinking this way. So Ford, a company that is 122 years old that kicked off the car revolution, is going to invest $2 billion in existing EV battery manufacturing site so that it can create a grid battery business so they can capitalize on the AI boom. What I think they're saying is they're going to provide power to AI companies. Let's see what they're saying. They're going to build grid storage. So it looks like they turned a 5.8 billion idle gigafactory into a grid battery business. It will manufacture grid-style LFP battery storage systems from its Kentucky plant. So the target customers are going to be utilities, data centers, and industrial users. This is a way to kind of sell the picks and shovels to the AI boom. So the AI boom is being underpinned by a couple things. It's by chips. So if you're a chip maker, you're going to be doing very well for 5 years. If you're a power supplier, right? Or you're somebody that can stand up power or battery storage for data centers, things like this. This is probably, I'm not sure if it's on par with the limitations in chips, because right now chips is the big bottleneck, but it looks like power might take the crown for being the limiting factor to grow AI. There's simply not enough power built out, at least in America. And if we want to capture a lot of the economic value, we need it here. Okay. So what they're going to do is they're going to be manufacturing battery systems and selling it to customers, just like they sell cars. They're going to get into the battery business to sell to the companies that are going to be investing billions of dollars to build these things, which are utilities companies that need to expand, data centers, obviously, and then other industrial users. And what they're trying to get to is a certain gigawatt output. I mean, this is cool. This is very cool. This is the type of stuff that companies need to do. It's like you make cars, which is notoriously a very hard business. Ford hasn't really been a great stock. Like, yeah, they're a legacy business and they've made money for, 100 plus years, but they're not on the Tesla level. Like, the margins aren't great. Like, why would people even invest in this company unless you were an insider or a company? Like, I don't know here. I would not buy Ford stock. This, though, might be kind of interesting. Maybe this would be a reason to buy Ford stock, because now they're diversifying and they're using the infrastructure that they have and the capital that they have to now create something that can ride the AI wave. Because generally, for the most part, Ford Motor Company is not going to benefit a ton from the AI wave, but this is one way they can. So this is really cool. I want to see more of this. It also reminds me of the Allbirds company that was a shoe company, DTC shoe company that basically failed, raised a bunch of money, went public, not great, stock dropped like 95%. They're pivoting to become an AI, I think, data center, where they're going to rent AI compute in data centers and sell to businesses. It's like, what? Like, it's amazing. Great. Do that. Pivot. Best pivot ever. Okay. I think we're going to see more of this type of stuff. And I think it's great. This just helps the American economy, creates more jobs, more resilient. It's just better for everybody. There's no reason you just have to make cars. All right. So good on them for this.